The question is, will you join the tiny percentage of stock market investors and traders who consistently earn a profit? And you'll see by watching this video how you can join the most elite investors and traders. You'll see how to gain an advantage that over 99% of traders and investors don't have. This is a very limited program, and probably not everyone who sees this video will get in on time. In fact, you're about to see why this is so exclusive and why we don't want to let the whole world know about this advantage. So please watch this video right now. It's only about 15 minutes long, and you'll soon understand why you were fortunate to arrive here before we take the video down and close this opportunity. I'll tell you the price at the end, but I'll just tell you right now that it is ridiculously low, and you'll soon understand why this is going to sell out so fast. Okay, so let's jump right into it. What is this all about? It's about the Daily Market Advantage. What is the Daily Market Advantage? It's an exclusive membership in which we provide technical analysis videos and other information to our members each trading day to give them an edge. It gives an edge to traders, options traders, investors, or virtually anyone with money invested in the market. What kind of edge am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about the kind of edge that separates those who make serious money in the market from those who make little or no money in the market. The market is kind of like a game. It exists for the elite traders and market makers to legally take money from all the little guys. Which side would you rather be on? The side that consistently beats the game, or the side that always loses? The side with the market makers and the big players who truly understand the game? Or on the other side, along with millions of retail investors and individuals who think they're investing but are really just being played and manipulated each day? In most cases, you have to be a market maker or a hedge fund or a big player with millions or even billions of dollars to join the elite side. But that's where the Daily Market Advantage comes into play. Through the Daily Market Advantage, we can equip you with the same knowledge, the same strategies, and the same power plays that the big guys are using. And we do it in a way that virtually anyone can understand. You don't have to have a finance degree or 20 years of Wall Street experience to benefit from the Daily Market Advantage. We give you the information you need when you need it so you can make profitable trades. So you're probably wondering, what kind of information am I talking about? What kind of information could be so powerful that it helps you make profitable trades whenever you want? Well, I'm talking about several components of information. Technical analysis is one of those components. And I'm not just talking about a few little charts. We use cutting-edge indicators and charts that are more helpful, more revealing, and more profit-producing than we've seen anywhere else. Some of our strategies are ones that you may be aware of if you've spent much time studying the market. We do study the volume, we analyze the VIX, and we look at some of the more popular formulas like Fibonacci and daily moving averages. Those studies alone are going to give you an edge in the market, but we also do some things that you're not going to find anywhere else. This is a huge advantage for multiple reasons. For one, you have to be a true market expert to do this kind of analysis, which means you'd have to spend years to learn how to do it. And second, you'd most likely have to spend hours a day working on it, even if you did know how to do it. Fortunately, you don't have to be an expert to understand our analysis and benefit from it. We explain it in a way that you can understand, and in a way that you can utilize it immediately to make profitable trades. And by the way, we're analyzing the Dow, we're analyzing the S&P, and we also look at the NASDAQ. So if you're trading stocks or options in the U.S. market, we've got you covered. And we also look at individual stocks and ETFs. Dave is our head trader and analyst, and you'll actually get to look over his shoulder and see what he's trading on a daily basis. You'll get great ideas of trades you can make, and you'll get specific and detailed analysis to back it up. And by the way, we're not like those guys on TV. We're not doing this so we can sell you our software or trading platform. We don't have anything like that. In fact, there's no need to buy an expensive trading platform. The ones that we use are free. Okay, so we're not doing this so that we can sell you something else. And you won't find us pushing any certain stocks or ETFs because it's the cool thing to do or because everyone else is doing it. We're not like the so-called analysts from brokerage firms who are pumping stocks to help their own investors. We have absolutely no reason or any benefit to pump or hype any stocks. And I know no analysts are supposed to hype stocks, but we all know that they do it. But you won't find any of that here. After all, we're in this to make money from our own trades, not from selling hype. We never try to pressure anyone into making any trades. In fact, we won't ever tell you that you need to buy or sell something. We simply tell you what we're doing, and then we give you the facts to back it up so that you can make a wise choice for your own trades and investments. Okay, so you're going to get what we consider to be the best technical analysis on the planet. You won't find this anywhere else, and it's going to give you a huge advantage in the market. But it's so much more than just the kind of technical analysis that you may be familiar with. We also have our own proprietary market indicator that reveals what the market is going to do next. We can tell if there's more buyers or more sellers entering the market, and using that information, we can make very reliable, educated guesses as to where the market is going. And we can make profitable trades again and again. And you're going to benefit from this indicator because we talk about it in our daily videos. Now, if you happen to be an options trader, this is absolutely for you. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, we've got the information that you need if you want to make a killing in the market. Dave is a highly experienced options trader, and throughout the daily videos, you'll discover the hottest options trading strategies for each unique market condition. We use calendars, iron condors, victory spreads, and we use the Greeks to manage our portfolios. You will not find this kind of high-level option strategies being taught in any other daily videos. We manage our portfolios by the numbers, and you'll see how to hedge your positions like the billionaire hedge fund managers. And again, if you're not an options trader, if you're just buying stocks or ETFs, and even if you're a complete newbie, that's great too. We've got you covered. And we're going to explain things in simple terms so you can make profitable trades. So whether you're an advanced options trader, a stock day trader, or a novice who's just learning the ropes, or even just a casual investor who wants to learn how to put your money to better use in the market, we've got you covered. And by the way, we've got a track record to back all of this up and plenty of proof to prove it. Long before the stock market hit a major low in March of 2009, Dave was talking about it. He was talking about the financial meltdown. He was talking about the problems in the market. And he was using his tried and true methods of analysis to point to exactly where the market was going. So if you were following Dave's daily videos back then, you could have made a killing riding the market down. And like I said, we do talk about specific trades that we're making. Dave will show you what's in his portfolio, and you'll see specific stocks or ETFs that he's using. So, like I said, long before the March low of 2009, Dave was talking about it in his reviews. But it gets even better than that, because he was also already talking about the massive multi-month rally that would come after it, so you could plan ahead. And once again, Dave showed the stocks and ETFs that he was buying to take advantage of the rally. He was using ETFs like UYG, which hit a low of $1.37 in March 2009. That ETF more than quadrupled in value. URE hit a low of $1.78 and more than tripled in value. UIM, which hit a low of $7.85, also quadrupled in value. FAS is another ETF that Dave bought, and it went up about 370% in value. And those were just simple trades that anyone could make. That doesn't even include some of the explosive option strategies that could have caused your investments to grow by huge multiples. So even if you're just a simple investor who buys ETFs or stocks, you could have doubled your money or better twice in 1 year. Remember, those ETFs I just mentioned increased in value anywhere from about 300 to 400%. So you could have actually done much better than doubling it. But even if you didn't quite buy at the bottom and didn't quite sell at the top, after all, no one can time the market perfectly, it would have been very realistic to double your money each time the market made a major move. So let's say you started with $10,000. You could have turned that into $20,000 when the market went down. And then you could have turned that $20,000 into $40,000 when the market went back up. And here's the great part. Even if you missed those major market moves, it's not too late. Not by a long shot. There are some major market moves coming up, and there will be plenty of opportunities to multiply your money. And I'm talking big moves like you wouldn't believe. Dave's already extending some of his charts into the year 2012 and beyond, and there's going to be some huge opportunities to profit from the market in the coming months and years. I'm telling you, the majority of the public is going to be on the wrong side of the market when these moves happen. Investors are going to lose tremendous amounts of money. Meanwhile, a small percentage of traders are going to become very wealthy from the events that are going to happen in the market. So the big question is, which side do you want to be on? Do you want to see your portfolio dwindle and shrink in the coming years, or do you want to see it multiply with explosive growth? Of course, we can't make any guarantees. Anything can happen in this world at any time, and there's always risk involved. But I can tell you with complete confidence that the daily market advantage will give you an advantage in the market that you would not otherwise have. So I briefly mentioned some of the opportunities in the market that you could have taken advantage of and hinted at some of the opportunities that are coming in the near future. And let me tell you, that's just the big picture. The daily market advantage is so much more than that. Not only will you be able to benefit from the major trends and big swings in the market, you can also make money in the short term if that's your objective. With the daily market advantage, you can trade with confidence every day. And that's the bottom line. And I'm not going to say much more about it because the daily market advantage pretty well speaks for itself, and our members know how powerful it is. So, how can you get the daily market advantage for yourself? Well, there's only one way to gain access to the daily market advantage, and this is it. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is a very limited offer. We've decided to keep this very exclusive. For one thing, we want to make sure that we're able to answer our members' questions when they do have questions. But we don't want to spend too much time answering questions. We'd rather be trading and analyzing the market. And when we're not doing that, we want to be out enjoying the freedom that this kind of financial success will bring to you. So we have to limit the membership. We also need to make sure the membership area doesn't get too bogged down by too many members. We want the videos to be really fast and easy to download. So once again, we insist on making sure we don't take on too many members. And beyond that, we just don't want to share this advantage with the whole world. We just want to let a limited number of people into this circle to enjoy the same advantage that we're enjoying. So unfortunately, not everyone who takes the time to watch this video will make it to the inside, but that's just the way it's going to be. So, what's it cost to become a member of the Daily Market Advantage? Well, considering that Dave could easily charge $1,000 or more per hour as a consultant, we initially considered charging $1,000 a month. That would only be $12,000 a year, which really is a small price to pay when you consider the potential return on investment for your portfolio. But we also wanted to help out all the casual investors and those who may be starting out with smaller portfolios, including our friends, not to mention all the customers of Dave's trading course. After all, those are the kind of people who can really benefit in huge ways from this kind of ongoing analysis and training. So we decided to keep it as affordable as possible for those people too, at least until the membership is full. So here's the deal. This is no hype, no BS, no price drop downs. This is it. $97 a month is all it takes for you to gain full access to the Daily Market Advantage. And I think you'll agree when you see the quality of our daily videos that it's a tiny price to pay for this kind of daily advantage. And like I said, that is the final price. We may raise the price for future members who don't join today, but it'll never get any cheaper than that. But you don't even have to pay $97 today because we're going to do something extra special for you if you join now while we're still accepting new members. We're going to give you the first month for only $9.95. That's right. You can try it out for a full 30 days for less than the price of a pizza. Why are we doing this? Why are we letting you through the doors for under $10? Here's why. There's no way that we could really convey all the benefits of this exclusive membership here in this short video. There's only one way to really know what it's all about, and that is to try it out for yourself. And so that's what we're allowing you to do. During your 30-day trial, you're going to have full access to the entire Daily Market Advantage, and you'll even have access to the archives in case you want to go back and see how the Daily Market Advantage could have been helping you over the past weeks and months. We're so confident that the Daily Market Advantage is going to give you an edge in your trading that we want you to try it out for the next 30 days for only $9.95, completely risk-free with a 100% money-back guarantee. We believe that if you watch our daily videos and apply them to your portfolio, you're going to be very happy with the results, and you're going to be thrilled to be a member of such an exclusive group of traders. So if you're ready to stop being on the losing side of the market and start making profitable trades on a consistent basis, now's the time. To take advantage of this special 30-day offer for only $9.95, just click the order button on this page and you'll be taken directly to the sign-up form. If the membership is already full, you'll see a big red stop sign and a message instead of the sign-up form. But if you reach the sign-up form, you've made it on time, and you can go ahead and sign up right now. So don't wait, go ahead and click the order button now, and we'll see you on the inside. As I've said, this membership will fill up quickly, so please, join now if you want to join us and become one of the elite traders who consistently beat the market. Maybe you're wondering, is this for me? Well, if you have any money in the stock market, this is for you. The days of buy and hold and watch the market go up forever are gone. Yes, you can buy and hold for periods of time. You certainly don't have to be a day trader, but without the kind of advantage that we're offering, it's very difficult to know when to buy and sell. We're going to help take the guesswork out of it for you. So even if you're a casual investor, this is for you. If you're an active trader, this is definitely for you. These days the markets are volatile and very unpredictable, and without the kind of advantage that we're providing, you can lose your money time and time again. Whether you're a day trader or a swing trader or anything in between, you need this information. Trading without it is like driving with your eyes closed. You might do okay for a while, and you might even go on a profitable win streak, but eventually you're going to have a bad accident and lose your money. We're here to prevent those kind of accidents. So if you're a trader, this is absolutely for you. If you're an options trader, this is pretty much a no-brainer. you're going to love the daily market advantage and you're never going to want to leave. Options trading can be very risky and you can destroy your finances if you're not careful. But we're going to give you an advantage so you can consistently minimize your risk while maximizing your profits and consistently make money from the market. So the bottom line is, if you've got any money in the market, or if you're a trader of any kind, whether you're a newbie or a professional, this is for you and you're going to benefit from the daily market advantage. So once again, go ahead and click the order button now to take advantage of this special offer for only $9.95. You can cancel at any time, but like I said, I think you're going to want to keep your membership when you see the results. Alright, this is the end of the video, so don't wait, go ahead and click the order button now, and we'll see you on the inside.